Well, it's time for another mod. This time around, we're going to tackle the side markers, the reflectors up front. So in this video, let's head out and install side marker delete kit that I picked up from IND. IND seems to have a monopoly on the stuff because they come pre-painted. So I ordered this on IND and it arrived very quickly as well. So I'm going to unpack this and see what all we've got in here. It's heavily packaged so it doesn't get damaged in shipping. So there you go. Oh, we've got some IND stickers. That's kind of cool. Wow, this is heavy duty. Wow. Wrapped up to avoid moisture, I suppose. We've got lots of towel. Oh, there it is. 2 column matched side marker delete panels. Wow, the quality is quite nice. As you can see, it's been painted and color matched, so it's going to be easy for us to just install. You can ceramic coat this. You can also buy it ceramic coated as well. I didn't do the ceramic coating because I was going to do it here in-house. Got the little peel off for the stickers, and here's the other one. So we're going to try and put it back so it doesn't scratch up. Thank you very much, IND. The whole process of buying it and getting it delivered was very seamless. Super happy with it. The other piece that I got with this as well was the rear badges. The M2 badge that we have on this car right now is in that sort of matte silver. And I thought it really worked well because it matches the emblem in the center as well. So I didn't think I was going to replace that, but then the more and more I looked at the black M2 logo, the more and more I felt like I had to change it. So I ended up getting the blacked out M2 logo as well. This is quite nice, really gloss black. I wish we could have done this in carbon fiber. So we'll put this back in. Got to give it to them for heavy duty packaging though. We got a lot of paper towel for our next meal. So let's put these guys back. So our plan with the install here is that we're going to take the car to Lucas. He's got some tools and he's done this stuff before. It's the first time for me. I don't want to mess up the job. I know it's easy, but being able to get some help from someone else would go a long way as well, and it'll speed up the job. So that's what we're going to do in this as well. We're going to take the car off to Lucas and get it installed. All right, we're at Lucas's house now, and we're going to install the reflector deletes. Check it out.
So?
Let's do the install.
Yeah, do it. Where's the parts?
Oh,
here?
here's.
All right.
Here we go.
So, I think you already opened it, or did you not?
I opened it.
Okay, because IND likes to give you a lot of like protection. So, what could this be? A pack of bananas? You know?
Do they sell bananas for the cheap?
It seems like they're well packaged, right? But these are 2 flat side markers. But
wait, it's already opened.
Is it?
You can just pull it out.
So anyways,
See, I just left
you can see how packaged they are. This was still in there somewhere.
Oh, I used it for pizza day.
paper towels.
Well, no, it comes with this. It's the same thing.
There was excess, so I used some of it for
But
pizza.
they were in here somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I took a lot of them out. I already opened it.
IND is known for their packaging.
It was nice, well protected.
Look at this. Look at this. Like, Crystal's gonna have a field day. She's gonna roll this back up in her kitchen and be like, "No."
So that's the M2, the black M2. I'm not quite sure if I'm ready to do that yet.
Why not? What's wrong with that?
Has to build up to it.
Build
Yeah.
up to it. No.
No, because I don't have the black center badge. I only have
You
the.
don't need a black center badge. With black in it, you're good.
Okay, so I guess we're doing the M2 as well. I don't argue with Dub says.
Mods to Dub House and not do them.
Okay, we're gonna do one socket here and another socket here. This isn't as bad, eh?
Oh yeah. That's gonna be fun. So the advantage to doing this before PPF is you don't melt it.
That's true. Well, I'm glad we didn't do PPF right away.
It goes, you're gonna put your finger. I think if you twist it, see, it comes out.
There's glue. That's it. Out it goes. This is the state of our install process. We got Lucas, we got Sean, and Vic. What's your take on the install process so far?
Pretty straightforward. It's almost like every other IND BMW kind of reflector install.
Yeah.
The X5 was, I think, a little more intrusive because you had to remove the whole flare.
Yeah.
But all the non-flared M cars, like M3, M2, and 4, it's just basically fender liner and bumper, right?
Yeah,
So-
yeah. Cool. So the little bit of gap here, I guess.
Well, that's OEM kind of fit, right? I'm gonna hit it up and just make sure it's tight. When you have when you have colored matching like amber markers, you don't see that too much, right? But like it can't go tighter.
Yeah.
And now we just put this bumper back on.
How many screws did you have to take off? Two of them, eh?
So
one screw
one
and-
screw, and then two little
Clips.
clips. Yeah. We got Checo here. Come on, Checo, show us your pit stop skills here. So this side's still amber. Let's show everybody how shit it looks.
Come on, it's not that shit.
Tarsi spec, brutal, so bad. Let's see the finished result here. Oh yeah, look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Yeah, here we go. 2 bolts, 2 underneath.
Thank you for. Wow, those are loose, eh?
I know they weren't. Well, they don't go that tight. They're just kind of snug in there.
They're just like self-tapper screws.
All right, we're doing the other side now. It's a bit difficult to take it out.
This would help if I had
More room.
little Asian fingers.
Yeah, let me get my agent fingers in there. Lucas,
Yeah,
you're doing well with your fingers there.
yeah. My wife isn't good with them.
So heat up the glue behind that first.
A little bit.
And then slide it in before you commit.
No, this is the hard part because when you
You want me to
slide
hold
it in,
it?
you're partially committed.
Yeah. Oh, I'll help.
There.
I was just thinking of Fast and the Furious one, all those lines. That's such a classic. Oh, it's the best.
And we're done.
Bingo. Looks good, man.
So good. Torquing it up. Last step.
Checo style, right?
Check this down.
Why am I Checo?
I don't know. You're darker than Max.
I don't have blonde hair.
It's only appropriate.
Okay, side markers are deleted with IND's side marker delete kit. And we're gonna do the M2 badge next. We're gonna block it out. This is the one that we're gonna use. Check it out. It's gonna look really good. What do you guys think? Should we have stayed with the silver or stay with the M2?
If you come in silver, unsubscribe right now. We don't want you on the channel.
Don't listen to him. All right, install's done. Thank you, Lucas.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, looks good now.
No more ridicule on side markers.
Yeah, I think it looks more like, well, my car, Sean's car, like we're all running the color match markers because it looks better.
Well, there you have it. What do you all think? How does it look? I think it looks good. Although I didn't mind the amber markers. The amber markers stand out and it's a good contrast piece for me. But the side marker delete and putting it in color match works really well with the car as well. Zandvoort Blue, seamless. So thank you very much IND for actually making these things available and having them pre-painted so we don't have to deal with having to sort that ourselves. Well, that's it everyone for this one. If you all enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. And we're anxiously waiting for the whole aero kit from Auto ID. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.